No, what is that?
This is the wood shed. Used to cut wood here and keep it in there to keep it dry. The barn, of course, used for milk the cow,
The big
put
one?
animals in there for shelter. The little building beside it was the chicken coop. The roof is on the ground now, but used to go in there to collect eggs and tell the chickens we either get eggs for breakfast or chicken for supper.
Yeah, but you cannot do that in winter, just for summer only.
Yeah.
Do you call this barn as well?
It's a shed.
A small shed?
They used to keep feed in there. Take grains and chop it up and feed it to the calves. We called it chop, actually.
And what is that over there?
The shed over there used to be like just a roof and 3 sides with a fence in the front. When the cows were ready to have calves, Dad used to put them in there, put out fresh straw so they'd have a nice bed for having a calf on. And Dad could walk through the herd of cows and he'd pick out the ones for me to put the cows in the shed because he knew which ones were gonna give birth that night.
Hey, what is that orange thing?
That's combine.
Did you drive that?
I didn't. Dad always drove the combine.
What is that
And
green?
it picks up the grain out of the field and it separates the kernel, the grain itself that you'd make flour with. It would separate that from the rest. The rest becomes straw that you use for bedding, or like if a cow's hungry, you'd eat it. Cows eat hay more. And down the hill used to be the calf pen. That was my job to feed the calves too. And past the calf pen on the bottom of the hill is the river, North Saskatchewan River.
So where is the border of this?
Border of our land?
Yeah.
You can't see it. As far as you can see in any direction is our land.
Really?
Go down. When you have proper shoes, I'll take you down to the river.
Yeah, maybe next time.
But this is our backyard. What do you think?
We have the biggest backyard.
All of your neighbors' backyards
All the
together
people.
are nothing compared to our backyard.
Yeah, if you get it. Occupy all those area over there.
You hear the sounds? Would you be scared of those sounds?
I think so.
That's the birds chirping and...
I don't know. I'm gonna used to it maybe.
Because it's all overgrown because no one's been here.
My God, that's of old cars.
Yeah, it needs lots of work.
Hey?
I gotta measure. It's a 100-foot line. It's a 90-foot well. I put knots when it hit the water.
My God, that's how deep the valley is. Hey, Duck! What are you doing over there? And that's my husband. Hi. Hi everyone.
We're eating
Good
chicken wings.
evening. My husband is eating chicken wings because that's his favorite. And now we're heading to the farm.